EOS Extraoral Dental Suction System. Cleaning and maintenance guidelines. Use wiping disinfectant or spray disinfectant to clean the product's surface. ADS recommends to use VIROS Optimization hydrogen peroxide disinfectant. Use a spray bottle with a good atomization effect to spray the disinfectant onto a soft cloth. Wipe with disinfectant and dry with a soft cloth to clean the handle. Wipe with disinfectant and dry with a soft cloth to clean the suction arm. Turn the equipment onto its lowest suction level. Spray disinfectant into the suction arm by 10 times. Let the system run for 3 minutes. Suction mouthpiece hood sterilization. Loosen up the 3 screws in the suction mouthpiece hood. Place the suction mouthpiece hood in the bag used for autoclaving 275 Fahrenheit degree, 134 degrees centigrade. Put the suction mouthpiece hood with the indicator into an autoclaving sterilizer. Sterilizing. Take out the suction mouthpiece hood from the autoclaving sterilizer. Check the indicator color. Replace the suction mouthpiece hood after finishing the disinfectant. Tighten up the screws. After sterilization, the suction mouthpiece hood is ready to be used.
For more information on the latest dental technology, you can visit us at our website or follow us on our YouTube channel.